Adding a dedicated cold pantry during new home construction transforms food preservation and entertaining by providing precise temperature control and organized storage tailored to perishables and beverages. Plan the layout near the kitchen for short travel distance, yet isolated enough to control temperature and humidity. Choose between under-counter refrigerator drawers, a wine refrigerator, or a full cold pantry with insulated walls and mechanical thermostat based on what you store most. For a cold pantry, specify at least 3 inches of closed-cell foam or rigid foam insulation in walls, and a thermal break at any common wall to reduce heat transfer. Include a dedicated electrical circuit and sized refrigeration unit that can maintain a range from 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on items stored, and add a separate condensate drain or pump to handle water from defrost. Cycles. Provide low-profile ducting for conditioned air return and a small supply vent with adjustable louvers to allow fine-tuning of airflow without creating drafts that dry food. Design fixed and adjustable shelving on ventilated stainless steel or melamine to allow airflow, plus dedicated drawer space or clear bins for herbs, cheeses, and prepared foods for quick inventory and rotation. Common mistakes include undersizing the refrigeration capacity, which causes continuous running and inconsistent temperatures. Fix this by calculating total stored volume and selecting a unit rated for that cubic footage with a reserve of 20%. Another issue is poor condensation control that leads to mold on shelves and packages. Prevent this by routing condensate to a proper drain, using a dehumidifier function if available, and installing moisture-resistant materials on walls and shelving. A third frequent problem is inadequate airflow from blocked shelves or sealed storage that creates hot spots. Avoid this by using perforated shelves, leaving small gaps for circulation, and placing temperature sensors at multiple heights to validate even cooling. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and contact options that match needs for specialty installs like cold pantries. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange design ideas, troubleshooting tips, and vendor recommendations.